easy. I will write. Are you getting my problem? What is the issue? Okay, your boss asked to separate all these values in different columns. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, now what to do? You just write 1000 here, press enter, and then press Control E on your keyboard. Control E. So when you will press Control E, see, automatically it will just remove all the cells. Now, if you want the middle one, write 165 and then press Control E. See. Now, if you want the last 4 digits, B100, then press Control E. See, automatically you can populate your cells with the required data. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये बहुत easy चीज है, ठीक है, which was not available in the previous versions.
Sir, please repeat one, sir.
Sure,
Repeat
sure,
one.
definitely. Now, what you need to do is you just give it a value, okay, what you want.
Okay, sir.
Data. So let me delete it. So like I want 1000, 1001, okay, so I will just write 1000. I need 1000. Ayo, my keyboard. 1000. Then press enter and then press Control E.
Okay,
Now
sir.
Excel will automatically identify your requirement that you just need the 4 digits from the beginning, and it will populate the rest of the cells with the same format. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, if you write 165, okay, computer will now understand. Okay, you just need the middle 3 digits, and if you press Control E, it will just populate it with the rest of it. Okay. And similarly, if you write B100, now if you press Control E, it will populate with the last 4 digits. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now let us see some more.